In the heart of Jamaica, nestled within the dense foliage of the island's interior, lies a narrow, shadowy road known simply as the Flat Bridge. Local legends whisper of its dark history, warning travelers to tread cautiously, especially under the veil of night. It was on one such ominous evening that Rachel, a young woman from Kingston, found herself driving along the desolate path. The moon cast an eerie glow upon the still waters below as she cautiously approached the ancient bridge. Despite the warnings echoing in her mind, Rachel pressed forward, her curiosity outweighing her apprehension. As she reached the midpoint of the bridge, a sudden chill enveloped her, and the air grew thick with an otherworldly presence. Rachel's heart pounded in her chest as she glanced over the edge into the murky depths below. There, amidst the swirling currents, she caught a glimpse of something ethereal, a figure with long, flowing hair, and eyes that glowed like phosphorescent pearls. Frozen with fear, Rachel watched in horror as the figure emerged from the water, revealing itself to be a beautiful yet sinister mermaid. With a haunting melody, the mermaid lured Rachel towards the edge of the bridge, her voice hypnotic and irresistible. Mesmerized by the siren's song, Rachel stepped closer, her senses dulled by the enchantment. But just as she reached out to touch the creature, reality shattered like glass, and Rachel found herself plummeting into the icy depths below. As she sank into the murky abyss, Rachel's last thoughts were of the haunting tales that had warned of the Flat Bridge's treacherous secrets. For in those dark waters, where the line between myth and reality blurred, the mermaid claimed yet another victim, leaving behind only whispers of the tragic tale that unfolded beneath the moonlit sky.